my last video, I talked about mental toughness and how Olympic athletes have worked so hard and for so long to develop their mental toughness, and why their mental toughness is so much better than regular people. Well, today I want to talk about some more things that are different between these professional Olympic athletes and amateurs like myself and you, or maybe you're a professional in something, but in general, you. So what are these differences? Well, amateur people, they get distracted a lot. They are constantly checking their email. They are constantly on Facebook, on Instagram, Twitter, all these things. They're so easily distracted, which doesn't help with focus. Whereas these professionals, they don't get distracted, and they recognize that these distractions are toxic towards working towards your goals. Amateurs quit when the going gets tough. When it gets difficult, they find themselves backing out and giving up. But professionals recognize that momentum is built on working at it day in and day out, even when it gets hard. Amateurs show up on occasion, so when they are motivated to do something. Whereas professionals, they show up every single day, even when they don't feel like it, even when the weather sucks. They are always there working towards it because they recognize, like I said before, that momentum is something that you work towards and you're constantly building. And when you get the ball rolling, it gets easier and easier and easier. But if you quit like amateurs do, then you start right back from square one and you got to begin again. Amateurs get motivated one day and try to make these major changes in pretty much every area in their life. But professionals realize that this is impossible because tomorrow, when you're demotivated, all those major changes that you said you're going to make, you're not going to do those anymore. But professionals, they try to focus on one habit to change. And once they change that, they go on to another one. So when they get demotivated, they realize that it's just one habit and they can work towards changing this. What do you find yourself doing on the worst day at work or at the gym or whatever? Are you constantly distracted at work? Are you constantly checking your emails, Facebook, Instagram? Because I know I am. Time goes by so slow when I'm unfocused and distracted. But on my best days, when I'm focused, it goes by so fast because I block out all distractions and I'm totally focused on my work and what I'm trying to accomplish. There's this constant battle that you and I face on a regular basis between being an amateur and being a professional at whatever we're trying to do. Which will you be today?